So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you watched. You want to kind of hold it up to the thingy. I hope you guys watched exactly how we did it. They are actually sushi rolls. And now for our grand taste test, you guys.
Is there a little spoon? Itty bitty spoon?
One right here. Now the Old Bay seasoning is what adds that kind of extra flavor to it. So, James.
I don't want red sauce on mine, please.
Alrighty then. And Charlie, would you like to take the first taste test?
Here we go. That is good.
Careful, it don't fall. There you go, baby. Oh, there's so many flavors all in one, you know. I'm in heaven right now. This is good.
Yeah.